rupees 2 lakh. Depreciation is charged by the company at 10% per annum on original cost method. So we are using fixed installment method, that is first method of depreciation. Accounts are closed each year 31st December. Show the necessary ledger account assuming that case A is provision for depreciation account is not maintained and provision for depreciation account is maintained. So we will solve this sum with two methods, first method and second method. In first method, we are charging depreciation from asset account. No another account is opened, like provision for depreciation account is not open. In the second, we are charging depreciation from the provision for depreciation account. Okay, so we will solve this sum. So first of all, prepare the pro forma of plant account. Okay, so this is plant account, debit side, credit side. Okay, so on 1st January 2010, January 1st, plant is purchased. So to cash account, amount of plant is 5 lakh. So no other transaction is there. So we charge the depreciation from the asset account. Okay, the journal entry for charging the depreciation from asset account is depreciation account debit to asset account. So asset account is credited. So December 31st by depreciation account. The depreciation is 10%. So we are using the fixed installment method. So depreciation each year is 50,000. Okay. Now we carried on. Now we total this 5 lakh. So we carried on the balance on December 31st. By balance carried on 4 lakh 50,000. Okay students, now we brought down this balance 2011 next year to balance brought down 4 lakh 50,000 2011. We charge the depreciation because no other transaction is held in this year. So December 31st by depreciation account 50,000 because depreciation we charging according to the fixed installment method. December 31st. So the total is 4 lakh 50,000 by balance carried on 4 lakh. Now brought down this balance in the next year 2012 January 1st to balance brought down 4 lakh 50,000 2012. We charge the depreciation in this year because no other transaction is there by depreciation 50,000. Okay, so we carried on the balance 4 lakh 50,000 is total of these two sides by balance carried on at the end of the year. Four lakh. Okay students, now we brought down the balance again. To balance brought down 4 lakh. So students, in the year 2013, on 1st July 2013, this machinery was sold out. So when machinery is sold out, the journal entry is cash account debit to plant account. So on July 2013, July 1st, this plant was sold out. Okay, so when it is sold out, the journal entry is cash account debit to plant account. So plant account is credited. So we write here by cash account, and the amount with which plant is sold out is 2 lakh. Okay, but we charge the depreciation till 1st July. Okay, so we have to charge the depreciation till July 1st by depreciation. So depreciation we charge from January 1st to June 30. So 6 months are there. So depreciation is 50,000. So 50,000 for 6 months is equal to 25,000. So we charge the depreciation 25,000 because this machine was sold on July 1st. But till July 30 it is used. So we provide depreciation 25,000. So students, see, the machinery's value is 4 lakh. After depreciation is provided 25,000. So 3,75,000 is remaining. So the machinery value 3,75,000 is sold for 2 lakh. Okay, the value of the machinery which is remaining for 3,75,000 was sold out for 2 lakh. So loss is there. So for July 1st, loss is we write by profit and loss account, and the loss amount is 1,25,000. Okay, I will show you that how we calculated the loss. So the cost of asset is 4 lakh. Okay students, less depreciation is 25,000. Three lakh 75,000 amount is remaining. So this value sold at 2 lakh. So 1,75,000 is the loss. Okay, so 1,25,000. Sorry, 1,25,000 is the loss. So we write here by P&L account. When loss is there, profit and loss account debit to asset account. So we credit the asset. Asset is plant. Now we carry down the balance first of all. So no balance is carried on because this is the balance figure. Because machinery is sold out, nothing is remaining. So we close this account. 4 lakh. Okay students, so this is how in the first method, when provision for depreciation account is not maintained, so we prepare only a asset account and we charge the depreciation from asset account by credited the asset account. Okay students, now we do when provision for depreciation account is opened.